What's up? It's the Kid 50 Cent. We in the booth for memorable moments. Never forget this right here.
Hey, yo, Chris, I don't know what you gonna do with this, but it got to be funky. It got to be funky if you wanna be on it. I don't care who first or who last, but you know what you got to do. You got to be rocking before the music is through.
Marley Marl is one hell of a man. KRS-One, y'all can't understand. Look, what y'all thinking? Chris shrinking? Nah, I just don't brag about the deals I be inking. Honorary degrees from Lincoln. I cross borders like Moshikans and do albums in a weekend. I'm hip-hop speaking, never the weakling. I'm the truth, man, so what are y'all seeking? Them lies and them liars? I still make flyers. I still ride vans and say MC for hire. I'll bring the fire anywhere, any place. Mama never told them to stay out of grown folk face. Then they got them rappers with that cold broke face. They toured around the world, now they going no place. While KRS-One tours at his own pace. On vegetable oil, no gas, no waste. Then you got these intellectuals, really they sexual, but they really want to remain respectable. Stop fronting, what a spectacle. Y'all get mad when I say I and God are identical. You better get on your knees and praise him. Them conspiracy theory rappers, we blaze them too. Ooh, deja vu. You seen this all before me slaying your crew? I'm known by all the kids. I studied Kwame Ture, man, and all he did. People don't stop calling Chris for gigs, cause when I'm on the mic, man, I flip they lid. Me getting booed? I can't even doubt all the shows I did. Listen, from coast to coast, we roast and toast. I'm hot. Me and the ice can't get close. Marley Marl, this the Juice Crew, Bronx, KRS-One, you ain't.
I can't give you no damn microphone. Yo, Chris, let's get out of here.
G-Unit, guide us not into temptation.